So this is One Residence's Al Wasl. 3 bedrooms of pure modern luxury, double volume ceilings to open up the space, light in every corner, and the Dubai frame perfectly positioned from your living room. Oh, and it's home to the world's highest running track. If this isn't living in style, then I don't know what is.
Smells so sweet when love is in bloom.